Let's take a look at number 9. Is the national crime rate really going down? Some sociologists say yes. They say the reason for the decline in crime rates in the 1980s and 1990s is demographics. It seems that the population's aging and older people commit fewer crimes. According to the FBI and Justice Department, 70% of all arrests are of males aged 15 to 34. When they give you a percent, the idea behind that is they're giving you P, population proportion. And it's probably the old P. They think maybe it's changed from that, as oftentimes what the claim is based upon. But they're telling us P is 70%. Okay. Suppose you are a sociologist in Rock Springs, Wyoming, and a random sample of police files show that 32 arrests last month. So N is 32. 24 were of males, age 15 to 34. So X is 24. Use 1% level of significance. So alpha is 1%. To test a claim that the population proportion of such arrests in Rock Springs is different from 70%. So there's our claim. Different from 70%. Well, step 1, write down a shortened version of the claim. We just did that. Step 2, come up with a null and ultimate hypothesis. Now these are P's here. Different from, that's a not equal. Not equal goes on H1. So that's not equal 70%. And always the symbol we put on H naught is equals. Step 3, see if a claim matches H naught or H1. Obviously it matches H1. Different from is the same as a not equal. We want to use one prop z-test to find our p-value. Okay. So we go to stat, go to test, and we want one prop z-test, which is number 5 in my calculator. Now P naught is a number off of our claim, which will be 70% in decimal form, so 0.70. X will be 24. N is 32. The symbol on H1 is a not equal to. So we want to put our flashing cursor on not equal to if it's not already there, and you press enter one time. And then down arrow to calculate and press enter. And they tell us that P is equal to 0.5371, rounded to 4 decimal places. Okay, well, come over here. If p-value is less than alpha, p-value is 53%, alpha is 1%, obviously not less than. If p-value is greater than alpha, well, that's true, then this says accept H naught. Now we're going to accept H naught, which means we reject H1, and since our claim matches H1, whatever we say about H1 is what we say about our claim. So we reject our claim. And you see P hat is 0.75, so that's pretty close to the 0.70 that we're asking about.